Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Village Inn. It's a 1-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Rooms feature satellite TV and free Wi-Fi in this motel. Laundry facilities and a 24-hour front desk are available for extra convenience. Tulare Outlets are less than a 10-minute drive away. The simply furnished rooms at Village Inn feature a sitting area, private entrance and a small fridge. Free toiletries are provided. Tulare Fairgrounds is 1 mile from the inn village. Sequoia National Park is approximately a 1-hour drive from the property. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.